Good morning, everyone. I am Vinay from Arjate Farms, Bangalore. I am here for a ask of 2.5 crores for an 5% equity and 2.5 crores for a line of credit. Arjate Farms. Arjate Farms is into farming and agri-service enterprise from seed to markets. We find agri-sector is stressed for lack of innovation, lack of knowledge and good agriculture practices. Here we fit in. We believe with our rich experience in this domain and domain management, we are able to find an exciting opportunity and value creation, not only to us, for our investors. We have a base of farming community where we believe we can encash by sharing, integrating our technology and production practices and marketing leads. We believe our passion towards innovation, knowledge will drive and create wealth to me and my investors. Post funding, we will be deploying funds to lease out or rent out stressed agri assets from the banks and turn around those assets with our expertise and experience to create value and wealth for our company. Our investors can look at VCs for exit or PEs, or even look at after 4 years, we look at IPOs also. Already we have created the wealth for our farmers and we will take an opportunity to create wealth for our investors also. Thank you, sir.
So you did not tell us what, you said how much money you need, but you did not tell us how much we get. What is your offer?
I think he said 5% for the.
5%. Okay,
Yes.
I must have missed that. And just hold. So you want half as convertible note, half as equity, and can we see the?
Yeah, I think he used the term line of credit. Even I wanted to understand that. Are you asking for 2.5 crores equity at for a 5% stake, and you're also asking for a line of credit? Now, what do you exactly mean? I mean, when do you need that money, and what do you need it for, and why have you chosen the split of equity and debt?
Sir, current scenario, it is deploying like funds has to be on a based on the stages. So we believe, okay, first the capex, capex and opex and has to be streamlined in such a way that every rupee we invest, it has to be turned into a revenue within 60 days. That is what we believe in. So that's why we are very clear that 30 to 40% we will buy out the agri asset on the capex, and for running that show we need the opex. So that's why we are asking for a line of credit.
So let me rephrase my question this way. Why are you not asking for a 10%? Why are you not asking for the entire 5 crores as equity? Will your current ask not put a huge amount of leverage on your books? You've already taken about 20 lakhs of loans, and you want to add another 2.5 crores of loans to it.
So it's a 20. We have a. You mean the 20 lakhs loan? I didn't get you, sir.
So the question is, why are you adding to your loan burden? Why are you not asking the whole thing as equity?
Sir, we believe that in the coming in the next 6 to 1 year, we are able to have enough surplus in our accounts. So we don't want to take it we are ready to take that liability.
Okay, before I pass it on to the investors, simple question is, are you flexible about this ask? I mean, if any of the investors want to, or a group of investors want to put in the entire 5 crores as equity, would you be open to that? I'm not assuming that they are, but I just want to throw it in there so that they can consider it while making offers.
Yes, we are flexible, but again,
yeah, so
we have to look into a lot of calculations in that.
Yeah.
Okay, why don't you consider the offers?
Just to ask and take up, but they can do part investments conditional to other people joining, either here or outside. Chini, you have a question?
So, where are the farms actually? Is it around Bangalore?
Yes, sir. Sir, we have an like our own farm in Bagalur, which is very close to the international airport. This actually we have created like a hub. From this hub, we will be working as an urban spokes model. Our range of working is only 120 kilometers from the Bangalore. So it
Okay.
includes the like Anekal or Hosur or maybe 100 kilometers is the radius we work.
And the second question is, you said that you take the distress form, right? Somebody who is
Yes.
in.
Yes,
So how big
yes.
is the land you typically look for? Is it 5 acre, 10 acre? Any sweet spot?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. See, we are very closely working with the public sector banks in terms of raising the priority loans for the like protected cultivation projects. For the last 5 years, there are huge, close to around some 150 crores of stressed asset lying with the banks. So we are already working and we are already negotiating with them in terms of taking over as an rent or a lease, where the cash flows will be directly credited to the farmers and the banks will also can have the flows.
Okay.
Okay. Nisha, you have a question?
Yeah, I have two questions, Vinay. Thank you for your presentation. One is when you say line of credit of 2.5 crores, what's the rate of interest that you're offering on that?
We are,
Sec-
sorry, please.
yeah, please go ahead.
We are looking at an 8% coupon.
8% coupon, okay. And your target market is only Karnataka, or how will you really scale it up? If your farms are primarily based out of, I'm from Bangalore, so I understand the demographics around here.
We are currently focusing for the next 2 years. We are only focusing on 100 to 150 kilometers of radius because there is a huge asset which is lying, which is unutilized in and around Bangalore. So we want to convert those assets, assets into really we want to convert those into a revenue assets. So let us assume that someone is holding agri land in the Dodbalapur or Chikbalapur where they have left only for the investment. We want to take it on those types of asset, convert into a commercially viable projects, and then because here the thing is mainly the supply chain management. Okay, the urban cities are asking for the connectivity to the farms where they can come to cut down their logistics or supply chain time. So we are mainly focusing in that, and this is one thing. And the second thing is primarily we are mainly on the commercial side, like exotic we are working, and these exotics are only grown on the protected cultivation. So our focus is mainly on a project where there is a minimum revenue of 15 to 20 lakhs per annum on acre.
Sure. Thanks, Vinay. That helps.
Any other questions from anybody? Any interest in any part of the offer? Vinay, I don't see any offer from this panel. We'll continue working with you offline for the next 6
Sure,
months.
sir.
Thank you very much.
Sure, sir.
Thank
Thanks
you.
for the opportunity, sir. Thanks for all.
Thank you, Vinay. All the best.
Thank you, sir. Yeah, I'm Vinay. My company is Ardite Farms. I'm from Bangalore. I'm there for this FunFest bootcamp from the last few months. And my experience with this bootcamp is from the day one is like we have whatever we like we could not we didn't know about those funding things. We have completely understood, and today we have great experience. We had a very great experience with this event.